Hi everyone, it's me, Boxy, and welcome to my new series, Cooking with Boxy. So, what is happening? Foxy, don't ruin my show! What are you doing? I'm doing my new series. What new series? You have Foxy Sings and now it's Boxy Cooks. What? Boxy Bakes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess you can be a guest. This is my guest star, Foxy. Hi, and today we're going to be making some mac and cheese, so let's do it. Okay, and so the things you will need are a big pot and the mac and cheese, of course. I'm using Kraft, and I'm using 2 because I'm starving, and also Justin is. And now what you'll need to do is fill your container up with water. Oh, and also another thing you will need is a wooden or plastic spoon. Okay, so you need to fill your container up with water. Okay, so I'm just going to fill this up all the way up to the top. I don't know where Adam and Jessica are. They're probably filming a video. And poor Adam's mom is cooking in the other kitchen that does not exist. What?
She said to me last night, she says, I have all these years now, I have enabled your dad, and I've cooked with plates.
Sorry about the background noise. That's actually Adam's mom talking on a meeting with her Friday girls. So I got the water, and now we need to put it on the stove. Okay. So
when he first got diagnosed diabetic.
So we have to move everything. Put this on here.
But now he's going to have to inject and last night we were on the phone.
I need Adam's help. Okay, so I'm just going to put that back. I was asking Adam's mom for help. So you need to turn
and then that's the thing.
To high. That's all. I don't want to get. Wait a second. I just want to make sure this is enough water. Hold on, guys. Okay, so you'll need to turn it to high, just like that. And now we wait. Okay, and now while we are waiting, we are going to open the mac and cheeses. So we have 2. Should we do 3, Foxy? Do you think Adam would be and Justin would be okay with that? Well, I know Justin would, but do you think Adam would? I don't know. He'd probably want a salad or something. Yeah. Well, let's just do 2. Okay, so I'm going to open them.
And that's what he's been doing these last 2 weeks, and it just takes time. He can't try himself.
And we will be putting all the stuff we used in this video in the description box below. Stay tuned. Let me just open this.
He can't go home and not get dialysis because his kidneys are fucked.
Okay, so there's the cheese. And then the noodles are just in the box.
Tuesday, chemo injection shot. Saturday, 24 chemo pills. So he's got something every single day. So his body is just, it's a lot, right? It's so much.
Okay, let me get the second one.
When he called, he's in the car, Mom gave his prescription. He didn't sound good. He didn't sound well. Although he was not going to get home and he was in bed. But, trying to juggle, we're going to juggle all those things we have.
The second pouch. And now you need to take a big container and put both noodles inside. So let me just grab a bowl.
She can feel the cancer growing up here. She can feel it.
This will work.
I can feel it.
Shut the cupboard. Okay, so now pour them in.
We got people lined up to help. I'm really not.
Okay, this actually might not work. No, stay. Okay, this is not a big enough bowl.
6 a.m. in the morning, which I was just like, 6 a.m. in the morning, but it is daylight savings. It's not dark. See, I worry about my mom because she can't see really well out of the dark.
Okay, let me just
driving at all.
That.
She had that failed cataract surgery years back. So I said, my mom.
The cup's falling.
The other day.
Hold on.
And she was coming around the cul-de-sac, and the retired couple lives on the corner, Gary and Debbie, and my mom hasn't seen them for a long time. So they stopped and chatted, how are you doing? What's going on? So So my mom gave him the whole story. My cancer now, Ron's got cancer now.
Okay.
And Gary, my mom calls us a dog. Gary was so sweet. Gary said, Tony, man, he said, you know, I've been retired for a few years.
Okay, let me just pour this.
He said, I was doing some training after I retired, so this is true. But he said, I have a couple of friends that live in the and I have them, and now they're okay. But now I'm just feeling like, I just feel like God is telling me that it's my job now to help others, to help people. I'm just feeling this tug in my heart right now to help people. He said, I'm an early riser. I'm up early every day.
Okay.
I would be more than happy.
So,
please let me take Ron to the dialysis.
Now, we just need to
Right?
wait.
Like, my mom was just like,
Mom!
talk to them in 6 months.
Miss McLarker, would you shut up?
Outside, right?
Okay, so I put some of the noodles in this cup, and now I'm going to pour them in very gently. Okay, next, oh crap, I want to grab that noodle, but it's on the that's hot, so let me this.
Yeah.
Okay, there. So now we're gonna mix.
Amy's all, you are preaching to the choir, sister.
And also be aware of adult supervision. We're with Miss Miss.
Looking at a
we're
screen.
fine.
Your eyes just must be. Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to wait, and then we'll go back and put the cheese in. We're draining the food. So we're putting the butter in, and Adam's mom is helping us.
Or Jamie.
It's
Jamie.
hard. This is a good ASMR. Okay, now that we put the butter in the milk, we're gonna put the cheese. So let's do that.
Is that an animal?
Okay, next one, because we did 2 mac and cheeses, so we have 2 cheese pouches to get. Okay, we put both pouches in, so now we're going to put the Kraft Colby Jack extra cheese, because we like lots of cheese. Okay. Honestly, let's just do the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Lots of cheese. This is in a big fat ball. It helps. Foxy, I think that's good. Okay, let's mix it. Let's see if we need to put any other ingredients. More cheese or more milk.
That's nice of you. That's nice of you, yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I'm still
you love
mixing it. It's not going so well. Okay, so we're gonna get some more milk. Okay, so we can't find an extra big plate, so we're gonna use this. Sorry about her, she's crazy. Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna put it on one big fat plate because I'm starving. Extra big plate. Okay, so we finished mixing it, so we're gonna put it on the plates. Okay, so we got stuff, so we're gonna put this all on the plate. Hope there's enough room. So I'm just gonna. It's heavy. hard to lift.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'm gonna get some of it out, and then when it's lighter, I'll just pour it. This is all mine. Hey, it's mine too. Still can't. Still can't.
Oh. The one.
I don't think we can get all of it in. Well then, I guess that wraps up the show. Okay, thank you for watching my cooking show. I hope you enjoyed it. We will see you in the next video. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I love you all so much. And I will see you in the next video on episode of Boxy Bakes. Bye!